You are going to love the 2020 Niro. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, MP3 player, security system, lane departure warning, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.